Your new cycle is here. Let's get your new cycle assembled quickly and get ready to ride in just a few minutes. You'll need a scissors or a knife to open the package. Be careful while unboxing to prevent any damage to your new bicycle. Inside the box, you will find an accessory box and 95% assembled cycle. In the box, you will find training wheels, hand nut, large bracket, small bracket and locking bolt, pedals, stem cap, 6 mm Allen key, 5 mm Allen key, multi-purpose spanner, bottle holder, water bottle zipper. Make sure all the parts are present before you begin. Keep the box safely. You will need it later while upgrading. Now carefully remove the protective wrapping from the cycle. Cut the zip tie and carefully release the handlebar. Take your time and avoid using sharp tools too close to the frame or cables. Let's start with the handlebar. Align the taper nut, insert the stem cap and then mount the bars onto the head tube. Align the bars and once it is straight, tighten the Allen bolt securely using the Allen key provided. Make sure the handlebar does not move as you tighten it. Next, install the training wheels. Remove the pre-installed locking bolt. Slide the small bracket and training wheel bracket onto the axle. Then fit the large bracket and secure tightly with the locking bolt or hand nut. Please follow the instructions based on the parts available in your box. Repeat the same process on the other side. Adjust the training wheel so that it sits slightly above the ground. It should not be at the same level as the rear wheel. Now it's time to install the pedals. The pedal marked L fits the left crank. The pedal marked R fits the drive side crank on the right. Ensure you install the pedals on the correct sides to avoid thread damage. Align left pedal with the crank arm and start threading it by hand. Then tighten it with the supplied spanner. Remember, the left pedal tightens anti-clockwise. Now repeat the process for the right pedal. Remember, the right pedal tightens clockwise. Ensure you install the pedals on the correct sides to avoid thread damage. Attach the bottle holder to either side of the fork, tighten it securely and place the water bottle into the holder. Unlock the quick release clamp, adjust the seat height and lock it back into position. Always keep at least 1.5 inches of the seat post inside the frame for safety. Use a screwdriver to loosen the screw. Adjust the brake lever to the desired position and tighten the screw again. Finally, squeeze both brake levers to ensure the brakes are functioning smoothly before riding. And that's it. Your cycle is assembled and ready to ride.